here I have the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to install Pixel Experience ROM based on Android Pie on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without further ado, let's make it happen. And before doing anything, just back up everything from your device because we need to format the storage again. Because if you are on MIUI, you need to format the storage once if you want to switch to any Pi based custom ROM. But if you are already using a custom ROM like Oreo and stuff, I think you don't need to format the storage. But anyway, back up everything from your device to a PC or something because you may lose your data otherwise. So let me show you the things now. As you can see, I have the file here and I'll put the download link in the description box below, so don't worry. This is the Pixel Experience 9.0 based 16th August 2018 build for Redmi Note 5 Pro. And the file size is around 1.1 GB. So yeah, let's just do it. So first thing we need to do is go to like settings, or you can just reboot to recovery in any way. I'll just reboot to recovery from here. And as you can see, I'm on MIUI 10 8.8.9, which is the anti-rollback version, not the anti-3 version. So this version does have anti-rollback. So you just need to have unlocked bootloader and you just need to have official TWRP recovery installed. So let's just reboot to TWRP recovery now. So as you can see, we are put it into TWRP recovery. The version over here I am using is 3.2.3.0 or -0. So let me just reduce the brightness. So the first thing you need to do is go to wipe, advanced wipe. Now from here, wipe Dalvik, cache, data, system and vendor. So wipe these things. Now swipe to wipe. Once you are done, go home, go to install. Now flash this Pixel Experience build. We don't need any kind of GApps here because it's already included inside this ROM. So let's just swipe to confirm flash. So as you can see, the flashing is done. Now don't reboot to system right now. Go to home. Now go to wipe. Go to format data. Now type yes. Once you are done, this will wipe everything from your internal storage. So back up all the pictures, videos or anything. Over here it's mentioned. So back up everything to a PC. Once you are done, now type yes and hit this right button. And it says the mount stuff. So go home, go to mount. Now mount these things over here. And as you can see, it can't mount itself, I guess. So let's just reboot to recovery once. So as you can see, it just shows like this. Check never show this again. Swipe to allow modifications. Let me reduce the brightness again. Go home, go to mount again, mount system and vendor, and make sure all the 5 things over here is mounted: cache, data, system, vendor and firmware. So once you are like done with checking that, go home, go to wipe again, format data, type yes, hit right, and it's done now. So just hit reboot system and you can just uncheck them and hit do not install. So as you can see, it's rebooting and the boot animation is dope, gotta say. Straight gives you the feeling of the stock Android. Well, that was something nice. So from here, as you can see, it's booted up fine. I'll just set English United States and start. So let me just complete the setup and I'll come back. So here we have the home screen. And it's just loading. It will take some time, I guess. What? The animation looks dope. boom, we have the quick toggles of the Android Pie. So let me go into settings and go to system, advanced. Oh, alright, it's over here, about phone. As you can see, now it shows Redmi Note 5. It shows our channel name, which is a good thing. Subscribe right now. Alright, so we have the Android version, as you can see, Android version 9. So as you can see, August 5, 2018 security patch, and we have the kernel name over here, which is the Pixel Experience kernel, I guess, and the build number over here, 16th August 2018 build, which is the official one. So that's great. And what else? Let me just go back in gestures. Let's see if the home button is there. Yeah, it's there, and boom, it's there. As you can see, it works and super fast. Boom. And if you wanna like go all the way up, you can do this. As you can see, it brings you to the app drawer, and we have this thing, like it's kind of like AI, which recommends you some apps or whatever you do. Like if you like message someone in WhatsApp, it will show you over here, just learns from your usage. So that's a great thing. So let's test the camera. Well, is it working? Oh, we have the MIUI camera here with AI. Let me test the portrait mode. Holy shit. Is it like really working? I don't know. Let's just do this, and oh, it force stopped somehow. Let's do it again, and it did take the picture this time. Let me check. Yeah, I think it applied the portrait mode here. Let's just go to the front facing camera. I'm just sweaty because I'm shooting this video by turning off the fan because of the noise thingy. So does it work? Oh my god. So yeah, the portrait mode did work. As you can see over here, we have the background blurring. So yeah, camera is working super fine. Let me go to video mode, and image stabilization is there as it looks like. I mean the EIS is there. Let's go to settings. We will have 4K. Oh, alright. Oh, it's the front camera. Settings, video. Yeah, we have 4K. So yeah, everything is working fine regarding the camera. That's a great thing. So what else? Flashlight, yes, it does work, as you can see. So let me just place a call and test if Volt is working fine or not.
Welcome to Jio Bangla Chono. Active.
So as you can see, Jio 4G Volt is working super fine.
Continue in English.
And this is like just sleek. And let me open an app. So yeah, it does show this rotate kind of thing, as you can see over here. So this is great. This is just great that we are running a custom ROM which is running on Android Pie 9.0 and running this mode. I'm definitely gonna review it. If you want to see the review as quick as possible, let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. So that's how to install Android Pie on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. So that's been it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. This was a quick installation guide, and if this video helped you in any way, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends if you feel like it. And this is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, please. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.